Diego, congratulations for winning T.Webber's Heat for the Holidays this year.
Thank you very much.
We're super excited to be able to install this ductless heating and cooling system for a great person, an Army veteran that sacrificed so much for this country. T.Webber is super fortunate to be able to provide this to you, along with our supplier, Ral, who's donated the equipment. We're super thankful for them as well.
It's me and my wife and 2 boys and 1 on the way. We bought the house, which didn't have sufficient heating. We had a few rough winters playing room tag. We'd all be in one room during the day, and at night all be bundled up in one room.
You've sacrificed so much for the country. You're still doing that today, helping the veterans. We're really appreciative, and we're really excited that we get the opportunity to help you and your family for the holidays this year. And thank you for everything that you've done for our country. We're truly appreciative of it.
Thank you very much. We couldn't ask for anything else more this year.